Hi, my name's Curtis. I'm one of the owners of Sondors E-Bike Rentals, and we'd like to give you an introduction to the bike and a little bit of information that you can watch before you get here. So this is a Sondors bike. It is an electric bike, and it'll go up to 32 kilometers per hour, and you can go about 30 to 35 kilometers on the bike. A good 2-hour ride. You'll have plenty of power and see all of Drumheller. So we'll go over a couple of things about the bike. First of all, you'll notice the tires. They're very fat. They're 5-inch fat tires. It gives you a very smooth and very stable ride. You got to be at least 12 years old to ride them, and of course 95 or 100 if you like. That's okay too. So how do you turn this thing on? So down on the right hand side there's a little white plastic rubber knob, and you pull that out, and that's where the battery is, and you can turn that on, and that powers up the unit. Then we come over to here on the right hand side, and we just come around this way, Simon, so you can look down. We're going to push this, and you can see the lights will come on, which shows us our full charge, and we have here a throttle basically. Now the bike still won't work. There's a third part to turn on, and right here is the center button. We hold that down, and then we see this display. This will give us our speed, it'll tell us our distance, and it'll tell us what level of pedal assist that we have. Now we've got 5 levels of pedal assist. So level 1's the lowest. You pedal, it pushes you a little bit. Level 5 is the highest. You pedal, and it'll push you a lot, up to 32 kilometers per hour. So if we take a look over here at the display again, so it's on level 1 right now. Level 0 means no push at all. And then we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also see here the battery indicator. But let's say you don't want to pedal at all. Well, you've got a full throttle here, and I'm just going to pick up the back end of the bike and show you. And I'm going to push the throttle, and away it goes. And of course, you have your brakes. Now you've got disc brakes front and back, and with those disc brakes also comes the fact that when you put on the brakes, it disengages the motor. If you stop pedaling, it disengages the motor. Very safe, a lot of fun. It changes everything to do with riding a bike, and it's absolutely joyous.